Okay, we have our sparge water up to a boil now. And so we can turn the heat off. And then I'm going to store the sparge water in the primaries. Since we're doing a 40-liter batch, we're going to use 2, not just 1, and split the batch into 2 fermenters. The sparge water, being so hot, actually helps pre-sanitize the primaries, and it's just a handy place to store it. Because the water is boiling, I'm going to use stainless steel siphon rods. You don't want to be sticking plastic siphon rod into boiling water, they'll warp. If you don't have stainless steel siphon rods, you can always bail the sparge water out with a bucket or a Pyrex pitcher, saucepan, anything. And when you're starting a siphon that has boiling water, you don't actually want to suck it into your mouth. You can just get it started until the water gets down low here, below the bottom of the kettle. And there it goes. So now our water's been transferred to our primaries. We don't need these anymore. And you're just going to let that drain. And I always put the lids on. You don't have to snap them tight, just to cover, helps keep the heat in. Now there is a little bit of water in here, not very much, but that's okay. It's going to actually help dilute the first runnings. The first runnings are very strong, highly concentrated sugar. By diluting them a little bit, it lets you get the heat on sooner without caramelizing it. So what we're going to need is a hose to run from there to there. I'm using just regular siphon hose, and this fitting is just a little bit big for that. So I'm just going to dip it in this hot water, just for a few seconds. It doesn't take much. And then it's amazing what you can stretch this stuff over. You just take a pair of needle nose pliers and you just stretch this out. You can fit this stuff on just about anything. And now we can start filling the kettle. I'm just going to open up this spigot and you can see the wort running down. You don't want to pull it off too fast, and it's got a good flow. That's good right there.